Basketball is like a job to me. I mean business. I'm working, so I have to take it serious. I dribble like I want. I shoot, I make sure I make. I go for that rebound, hungry, making sure that is, at the end of the day, that's my money. That's why I'm studying for free, so it's a job to me. I'm having tough opponents at me, so I have to be more tougher than them. So as they prepare for me, I'm also prepared for them. I wake up very early in the morning. That's like at 7 in the morning, go shoot up to around 11. Yeah, just to keep myself fit. Then from there, I just get back home and rest. Generally, basketball has done a lot. I've traveled, I've been in camps in South Africa. I've been studying almost from senior 2 without paying even a coin. Now I'm in a university, I'm not paying. I've made very important friends who can help me in life, friends who can be there for me. So basketball has been really like my second parent. I hate losing. When I see I'm losing, that's when I become like, I want to play very hard. It motivates me a lot if I see I'm losing. I've been working very, very hard to make sure I become one of the best players in the country. I was the national MVP in high school. From there, the same year I was the league third div MVP, which is now called D-League. I've been the second div MVP, which is now called first div. And I'm looking to be the NBL MVP.